Good morning, my dear parents. Every day we are conducting online classes. Please give your valuable suggestions about online classes. Thank you. Hi kids, how are you all? Are you attending the online classes every day? Please make use of it. Thank you. Okay kids, let's start with the circle time. Come. What is the day today? Do you know what is the day? Yes. Today is Wednesday. Rotate it slowly. Where is Wednesday? Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Say louder. Today is Wednesday. So, yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. And tomorrow will be very good. Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. And you know what is the date? Can you find what is the date? Yeah, it's good. Today is 19. Today date is 19. Put it into the pouch. Nice. What is the name of the month? August. So, put it into the pouch. August. Today is Wednesday. What is the day? Today is Wednesday, 19th August. Nice. We have learned the numbers from 1 to 20 so far. Let's recall it once again. Come on children. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Very good children. Kids, what is the name of the apparatus? Do you know what is the name? Wonderful. Secant board. Very good. Last week we have learned the numbers from 11 to 20 by using this apparatus, secant board. What is the name of the apparatus? Secant board. Very good children. Today we are going to recall the numbers by using secant board with beads. Now I am going to arrange the beads from 1 to 9. Count 1. Place it slowly. And then 1, 2. One after 2. And count it. 1, 2, 3. So 2 after 3. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 after 4. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 after 5. And then count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 after 6. And then next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 after 7. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wonderful. 7 after 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good, children. Look it, it's just like a tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 golden beads. So here each strip has 10 golden beads. Each strip has 10 golden beads. So already it has 10. So I am going to insert number 1. It becomes 11. What is the number? 11. So 10, 1, 11. What is the number? 11. And next already it has 10 and I am going to insert number 2. It becomes 12. What is the number? 12. So 10, 2, 12. What is the number? 12. And then 10. Already it has 10. I am going to insert number 3. It becomes 13. What is the number? 13. So 10, 3. So 13. What is the number? 13. Next 3 after 4. So 10. I am going to insert 4. So 14. What is the number? 14. 10, 4. 14. Say the number 14. And then 10. 4 after 5. It becomes 15. What is the number? 15. So 10, 5, 15. Say again 15. And 5 after 6. So 10. I am going to insert number 6. It becomes 16. So 10, 6, 16. What is the number? 16. And then 6 after 7. So I am going to insert number 7 here. It becomes 17. What is the number? 17. 10, 7, 17. 17. And then 7 after 8. So 10. I am going to insert 8 here. It becomes 18. 10, 8, 18. What is the number? 18. Nice children. And then Already 10 is here. I am going to insert number 9. It becomes 19. So 10, 9, 19. Repeat the number 19. And we could learn the numbers 11 to 19 by using this secant board with beads. Can you say the number next to 19? Say louder. Come on. Yeah, obviously 20. What is the number? 20. Say again. 19 after 20. 20. 19 after 20. Wonderful children. I hope you all enjoyed this session. We will meet in the next session. Until then, it's bye from yours Prema ma'am. Thank you.